I said, oh my, what a marvelous tune. It was the best night, never would forget how we moved. The whole place was just to the nines, and we were dancing, dancing like we're made of starlight, like we're made of starlight. I met Bobby on the boardwalk.
She likes it when I call in sick to work, spend the whole day hanging with her. I might get fired, but that's alright, I'm doing what she likes. She likes it when I bring home fresh fajitas and mix up a pitcher of margaritas, catch a kind of buzz that lasts all night, doing what she likes. She likes hearing how good she looks in them blue jeans, little kisses sweeter than I was gonna keep it real, like chill, like only have a drink or two, but it turned into a party when I started talking to you. And now you're standing in the neon, looking like a high I wanna be on. Baby, it's your call, no pressure at all. You don't have to throw back your pretty pink lemonade shooter and lean a little closer. You don't have to keep on smiling, that smile that's driving me wild. And when the night is almost over, meet me in the middle of a moonlit Chevy Benz seat and do a little bit of country song, hanging on. You don't have to keep me falling like this, but it'd sure be cool if you did. Can't shoot me down, 'cause you've already knocked me dead. Got me falling apart with my heart talking out of my head. Let your mind take a little back road, just as far as you want to go. Baby, I'll do whatever you want to do, You don't have to throw back your pink lemonade shooter and lean a little closer. You don't have to keep on smiling, that smile that's driving me wild. And when the night is almost over, meet me in the middle of a moonlit Chevy Benz seat and do a little bit of country song,